So we are planning a TFL flap for this trochanteric pressure sore. So again we start by marking the important anatomical landmarks. This is the anterior superior iliac spine, superolateral border of the patella. So we mark a straight line joining the ASIS and the superolateral border of patella. This line is divided into three equal parts, 1, 2